everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about makeup products well done for aging skin, maturing skin, matured skin, as well as for extreme dry and dry skin. I, being a combination to oily skin, also enjoy all of these products because with being an oily skin, I am a aging skin as well, and simultaneously my skin is also maturing by the age. So I do enjoy all of these makeup products as well as the technique, and I would say you need to invest in some good tools to achieve a good base. So everything I'll talk about in detail in this video, and I will be suggesting some odd makeup products as well. There will be a part 2 as well because I cannot show you everything in one single video, so there will be a part 2 coming soon. But do not miss this video, watch the video till the end. Everything will be linked and listed in my description, and without any further ado, let's get started. First up, let's touch up on the tools which I would highly recommend you invest in, and there is a reason why you should invest in these tools, because to achieve a good base, it's not only the makeup product, it's the tool and the technique. So agar tool bhi right hai, so whichever technique you use, tool will do the job for you, the best job. So I have like 4 brushes here. Now talking about the 2 perfect base brushes for all your creme products, I would highly recommend you invest into these 2 kinds. Though I've done a complete dedicated brush video as well, do check out that video because उसमें भी मैंने बहुत limited and multi-purpose brushes दिखाए हैं. So do not miss out that video. Watch it if you haven't checked out that video. Now coming back to the first 2 brushes which you should definitely invest in. First up is a flat kabuki brush which will allow your creme blushes, your creme highlighters, your creme products to basically blend in on top of your foundation, as well as this itself can do your foundation as well. So you need to have a flat kabuki brush which can do it all for you. So a flat kabuki brush is a must. Now the second brush is something like this. I've already done a complete dedicated review. So this brush is also a foundation or a creme product brush which allows the creme products to blend seamlessly into the skin. Again, if you're not into flat kabuki brush and you don't know how to handle the brush, get this one. Now this allows you to do the foundation, your concealer, your bronzer, your creme blush, your highlighter, everything you can do with this. So yes, invest into brushes like this. This will definitely allow your creme products to blend seamlessly without leaving any harsh lines, and it takes away the excess product as well. And agar aapko zyada bhi lagana hai, the brush really allows you to pack on more pigment. So yes, these 2 brushes I'd highly recommend you get it for yourself. And talking about the 2 more brushes, now since you are into makeup, you will be applying powder products as well. So get something like this. This is more of a multi-use brush which can blend your powder blush, your powder bronzer, and even your face powder. You can do it all with this kind of a brush. So get something like this. Any shape face you have, this brush is universal. And the next and the last brush which I highly recommend, which may sound a little not necessary, but once you start using something like this, you will find yourself in a very comforting zone and you'll be like, oh wow, my base looks perfect. Something like this. This is by Mars Cosmetic F03. Now ये ब्रश बहुत अफोर्डेबल भी है, आपको इजीली मिल भी जाएंगे. इस ब्रश की खास बात यह है कि यू सी द शेप ऑफ दिस ब्रश, इट्स नीचे से नैरो एंड देन थोड़ा फ्लफी हो जाता है. ज़्यादा डेंस नहीं है बट ज़्यादा फ्लफी भी नहीं है. तो ये क्या करता है, अगर आपने कंसीलर लगा लिया या आपको पाउडर लगाना है कॉर्नर्स में, आप लगा सकते हो. आप इससे हाइलाइटर भी लगा सकते हो. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप इससे कर सकते हो. यू जस्ट हैव टू हैव दिस ब्रश एंड साइमल्टेनियसली यू नो अ लिटिल ब्रश कैन डू इट ऑल. So yes, you should invest into a brush shape like this, and you should always have a smaller brush. It's not necessary you always buy a bigger brush because inner corners mein these brushes are the best to be used. After discovering some interesting tools, now let's move on to some makeup products which I highly recommend you get it for yourself if you are into aging skin, maturing skin, as well as if you're a dry skin. I'm a combination to oily skin. I thoroughly enjoy all of these products. Now talking about the two primers which I highly recommend is first Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Primer. The only reason I'm recommending you this primer is a creme based primer. So I always suggest people with dry skin or mature skin avoid silicone based primers. They are not meant for you. Reason being, a silicone based primer or a little creamy cum silicone based primer can dry out your skin or can lead to flaking up your foundation or your powder product. So keep those primers away from you, at least for winter weather. And summer weather you can still use it, but I would still highly recommend you go in with a creme based primer. So this is a pretty affordable one, very good primer है, अच्छे से एक sticky base देता है. Like today I'm wearing it and everything looks very nice. I don't look flat out matte and my skin does not look dry and dehydrated. So yes, invest into something like this because this kind of a primer can complement your matte foundation as well as your dewy or lumi foundations, because I am wearing a radiance foundation which I'm going to talk later. So primers like this can add a lot to your base and you will always look very glowy, or I would say not very materialistic glowy. It's like a more of a diffused glow which will always happen onto your skin. So invest into something like this. This is really well done. Talking about another primer, and I highly recommend to invest in a correcting primer. Now correcting primers बहुत से brands ने बनाए हैं, but I would highly recommend you get this one because this I have been using it. This is my second tube personally. Is the K Beauty correcting primer in the shade peach. I have an orange one as well. Now if you have a lot of pigmentation or dark circles, get the peach one. You can actually use it like a full-on base primer, just like any other primer, and you can do a little gentle tapping around your concerned areas as well and then go in with your other makeup products. Now putting a correcting primer itself adds up that brightness. A little correction happens at the first stage itself and then you can go in with your concealer, your foundation and other products. So invest into something like this. इसको लगाने से एक और बात हो जाती है कि if you don't have too much happening onto your skin, just like my skin, you really don't have to go in with that concealer and that correcting concealers like the orange one, the peach one. Today I'm not wearing a concealer, I'm just wearing a foundation after this primer. So I did not use this one, I used the other one today. So as I mentioned earlier, so you are reducing the number of steps and you are introducing more hydrating products, correcting products, and simultaneously it is going to prime your skin. So invest into something like this. It is definitely going to add a lot to your base. Moving quickly into this video because it is extremely hot in Delhi. So a foundation. So wait for the part 2 as well because I'm going to talk about more products there. Now foundation is something personal choice, but if you are a mature skin, dry skin, aging skin, introduce foundations which are not extremely matte. You are not doing anything good to your skin, because I have realized over the years as you are aging, your skin is also getting dry. You are looking also a little drier than I used to look earlier, because I'll tell you, I'm an extreme oily and a sweaty skin. As of now I'm very sweaty, so I just wiped myself. So as I was saying, I'm extremely oily and sweaty at this point because now fan chal raha hai na AC chal rahi hai, so I'm sweating. But otherwise I have also been discovering a little dryness onto my skin. So I prefer going in with foundations which are not extremely dry down matte foundations. So go in with something like this, and this is beautifully done, and today I'm wearing it onto my skin. Is the MAC Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. I'm in the shade NC35. Now this is a pretty expensive foundation, I totally agree with you, but then एक बार का परचेज है कर लो, बिकॉज अगर आप मेरी तरह कंटेंट क्रिएटर नहीं हो, यू विल नॉट बी बाइंग लाइक 10 different foundations. You're going to stick by one or two. That this can be those one foundation into high-end category. So this is the foundation which can give you a nice coverage, just like I'm having. I just went with one layer of foundation. You can go in with 2 layers also. You will have a night look, you will have a day look, you will have a no makeup also. It totally depends how much foundation you apply onto your skin, and then you have a perfect base. When you put your powder also, you don't look super dry because you have a radiance foundation underneath, and this foundation complements the creme primers as well. So if you haven't tried this one, you should, because this I highly recommend to people who are dry skin, extreme dry skin. again aging and mature skin. And this is a beautiful purchase also I did, and I love wearing this foundation. So if you are struggling to find that perfect foundation and you suffer from skin texturing and your foundation flaking up during the day, messing during the day, invest in this. This is worth every penny. Next up, I have another interesting product, a creme blush. So if you have been watching me past 6 months, you know how much I am obsessing over creme blushes. There is a reason to it. The reason is that my skin now loves it more than before, and my skin does not look more made up. It does not look like I have layered a lot of blush onto my skin. It just mingles into my skin. Now today I'm not wearing a creme blush. I'm going to talk about the blush I'm wearing today. But if you are interested into a good creme blush, a blush which can give you that nice glow but does not look made up, and it stays longer during the day, and it is into a creme formula, so it is not even going to look flat out matte and does not going to enhance the texture of your skin, then you must invest into something like this. This is by the brand Kiro. I've done a dedicated video where I talked about creme blushes. Do check out that video to have more options. But अगर मुझे कोई straight up अभी at this point अगर आपको कुछ recommend करना है, it has to be this one. This is a beautiful creme blush which is made for all skin type, but I do feel, since I'm into that aging process, my skin loves this blush. It just adds this night glow, and I even feel that it has nourishing properties, so my skin does not feel heavy. It does not feel as if I've layered a lot of makeup onto my skin. So try something like this into your makeup routine. A creme blush is a must do if you have a dry skin and an aging skin, and this one is definitely one of the best I've tried, and I highly recommend. Since you introduce a creme blush, I would highly recommend you invest in a highlighter in this formula. Reason being, firstly, it is easy to use. Secondly, it is your skin like highlighter. It does not look chalky, it does not look flaky, it does not look shimmery like the one I'm wearing onto my skin. Nobody can tell that I'm actually wearing a highlighter. Which is this highlighter? Is the Colourpop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Wisp. Now there are a lot of shades, but Wisp is one of those shades which you can just go blindly pick up, because this will complement all Indian skin tones. It is a beautiful highlighter, lasts longer, it is intense, it's richly pigmented. A little product goes a long way. You don't need any tool for this product. You need your finger, dip, 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 blend, done. So this is what I'm wearing onto my skin. Can you tell that I'm wearing a highlighter? Additionally, no, because this just melts into your skin. So you need to introduce products which melts into your skin and gives you that skin like finish. So now there was this time when we used to like put a lot of makeup and we used to love it, but as you pass by, years pass by, you want to have makeup products which makes you look you and not made up a lot, but just enhance the feature of your face. So this highlighter actually can do so and add that nice highlighter into the skin. Now you see that highlighter, it's like beautiful, and I'm not using this product like an year back. Say I've been using this product more than 6 years. I think first time it was launched by Colourpop itself. I used to buy products from website or Instagram handles that time. So this is my very old friend, and I have just added more shades here. So get into something like this which just makes your skin glow like a goddess, but it is your glow, not that additional highlighter you laid on. So invest into something like this if you're a dry skin or an aging or a mature skin. And now we are down to the last two products, bronzers. Now bronzer is something where everyone can go wrong, because I have seen women, like I do go to malls a lot of times. Mall is my like favorite place to go, I think, and I meet a lot of friends as well, and everyone loves to do makeup nowadays. But I have realized bronzer is something where women go wrong. How? You pick up the wrong bronzer altogether and then you start applying it, and it looks muddy, it looks harsh onto the skin, and your skin looks more rough or more, I don't know how to define it, but it does not look you. So pick out that right bronzer. And if you are an aging skin or a mature skin, people who have wrinkles also under the skin, pick up that soft bronzer. Now I'm going to recommend that this one soft bronzer which I wear a lot, and today also I have it. Can you tell I'm wearing a bronzer? but there is a bronzer onto my skin. It just blended into my skin. So this is the bronzer which you should get it, and you get only 2 shades, and I think these 2 shades are more than enough if you are into your aging, mature or dry skin. Is this Revolution bronzer in the shade, I think it is Cool 1. I will leave everything onto the screen, and this is how the bronzer is. Now this bronzer does not look muddy, it does not have a lot of red undertone or a heavy brown undertone, so it does not look harsh. Also, you can do a beautiful bronzing with it. The product looks more diffused, more airbrush, and it does not make you look harsh or made up. So invest into something like this. It's one of the best bronzers I've discovered, and it's pretty affordable compared to so many bronzers I have. So अगर मुझे किसी dry skin को भी recommend करना है, this is the bronzer I would recommend. It's not super dry and dehydrating also onto the, because a lot of bronzers actually can do that, but this bronzer will not so. So you can actually tell I'm wearing all of these products onto my skin and it looks perfect. So if you haven't tried something like this, you should, because I know a lot of us wants to do bronzing, but sometimes they're so scared because I don't have that perfect bronzer. This is that perfect bronzer. If you are suffering, or not, I would not say suffering, if you have aging skin, mature skin, and even if you have wrinkled skin, like if you are 50 plus, 60 plus, and you want to have that nice bronzer, then this is the one to go for, because it is like the best bronzer for all of you girls. So if you haven't tried this one, you should, because it is budgeted and you get 2 beautiful shades to choose from. And now we are down to the last product, and I highly recommend, if you have the money, if you can save the money, get something like this and you will enjoy this palette thoroughly. This is an all-in-one product you can travel with, and अगर आपको सब कुछ नहीं खरीदना तो आप ये खरीद लो. Is this Charlotte Tilbury Instant Look of palette. This is a face palette, कमाई palette. सिर्फ से face palette भी मिलता है Charlotte Tilbury का. But now why am I recommending you this palette specifically? Like I use it wholly, but अगर मुझे आपको recommend करना है, then I would recommend this palette for the face products, the powder, the blush, the bronzer and the highlights. Now frankly speaking, this palette is fully functional from eye also. So I did my blush, my eye and my highlight, inner corner highlighter I did with this one. So it is like fully functional palette. Now why this palette? Now why Charlotte Tilbury palette? Because the Charlotte Tilbury के जो blush, bronzer, highlight का जो texture है वो बहुत ही fine है. दूसरा, it's very skin like. So I have seen this in high-end products only, not in drugstore I would say, but in high-end products like Charlotte Tilbury or Anastasia or Ofra or Becca or MAC, all of these brands, when they make palettes like these, इनके जो फेस प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं या फेस के ब्लश, हाइलाइटर, ब्रॉन्जर बहुत ही सटल होते हैं, पिगमेंट बहुत अच्छा होता है, राइटली पिगमेंटेड होते हैं, और जो प्रोडक्ट होते हैं उस पर किकबैक नहीं होता, वो शिमरी नहीं होते, वो ग्रीनी नहीं होते, एंड नन ऑफ द थिंग्स हियर मेक मी लुक ashy or they don't look harsh. They blend seamlessly into the skin. So for those reasons I'm recommending you this palette, and they don't look flat out matte onto the skin. Like the blush I'm wearing, it's so beautifully done. A little product goes a long way. The powder is beautiful, and I would say that if you haven't tried anything from Charlotte Tilbury and you really want to try everything in a go, then get a palette like this, because it is going to be affordable. Because if you buy single brands, it is going to be expensive. Buy a complete face palette, they have it, and in discount you can get that palette for 4,800 as well. I myself picked it up in a good discount. So blendability बहुत अच्छी है, product बहुत अच्छा है, luxury है, जब blend करते हो तो एक अलग सा finish ऑटोमेटिकली दिखता है और आपकी स्किन मेड अप नहीं लगती. So if you haven't tried something like this by Charlotte Tilbury, you should, because this is something which I recommend people who have mature skin, specifically aging skin and dry skin, because all of these products, they just sit beautifully. Even in summer weather, they sit beautifully onto my skin. And there you have it, a bunch of interesting makeup products and tools well done for aging, mature and dry skin. And me being a combination to oily skin, they work absolutely wonderful onto my skin type in summer and winter weather. Though everything will be linked and listed in my description if you are interested in any of the products, but remember, November. Part 2 is coming soon. I have reviewed most of these products onto my channel, so if you are interested in knowing a little more about the product, do check out the dedicated reviews as well. If you really loved watching this interesting video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram at @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!